Hi guys, it's Mimi. We're back for another layout of the day, and today's layout is this cute little one with the owl on the side from the Under the Stars collection. And just to note here, it does look like crappy printing because it was print crappily. My printer was running out of ink and it's not set up to the highest setting, so that's why it looks this way, but I don't want to waste paper, so we're going to go ahead and continue to use it. And what's awesome about this layout is that there's no cutting needed, so I'm just going to go ahead and slap on my photo. And then we will look for some embellishments to add to it so that, you know, we can add a little more pizzazz to it. And I love this page with the little owls on it. And then there's another page, I don't know which one it is, but I'm sure we'll come across it, that has little bunnies in the sky with like buttons, and it's just super whimsical and super cute, so I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and find some washi tape that's gonna match this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have these two washi tapes. The purple with the blue marble I think is perfect for this. It matches perfectly, and because I have nails though, it's really hard to get up, so I'm just gonna use my X-Acto knife. And I'm not sure if we're gonna go on the sides or like on the top and the bottom, so kind of see what that will. I think because there's already something on this side, we kind of need it to go on the top and the bottom. And then I like the layered look with washi tape, so I'm going to go ahead and add this pretty silver metallic to it and just kind of overlap it straight but not perfectly. There we go. Just add that like that. I think that's super cute and just adds another more unique personal touch if you don't want to have all of these same layouts as everybody. And also you can print these over and over again, so that, you know, if you need more than 24 pages, you can have 48 pages if you want to print 2 sets of them and make them all look a little bit different by adding on your own little small embellishments. And it still saves a lot of time, and it's super cute and an awesome base to start out with. If you want to get this layout yourself, you can go ahead and head to the link in my description. It's MimiLeeMade.com, and you can try it for free when you sign up for emails. So don't forget to do that, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!